Bubbly, 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 bubbly. For this part of the video, you're going to need large scrunchies and your favorite head tie or scarf. You are going to angle it with a smaller triangle on top, which leaves more fabric on the bottom. You're going to flip that part over, place your head down, and tie it like so. Once you have it tied like this, it's not going to be a knot, it's just the piece of the fabric here. Make sure you secure it and double it one more time. Now you have a knot. At this time, you're going to pull this piece here in the middle, grab your scrunchies, line them up on the middle part right here, and cover them as best as you can with the fabric that you have. So you should have something similar to this in the front of your hair as best as you can. Then you're going to grab a hair scrunchie and just pull it over that knot. And that's what's gonna really make you know that it is in place. And that is your front knot. Simple. And I like to pull it back just a bit to have a little bit of my hair out on the side. And I just love this look. Your head scarf is done. Now it's time to add a pop of color to your face. It is springtime, and I love bringing in springtime with bold colors. So today we are going to go in with royal blue. With doing such a bold color like royal blue, I tend to stay away from eyeshadows, but because I do have hooded eyelids, I do like to still open my eyes a bit, and I think that white is a perfect color that complements royal blue and also keeps it spring vibes. So let's go ahead and line that lower waterline with white. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever. Ooh, I like this. You see, it's just bright. I'm just going to dab a little bit of royal blue from my neon pigment stack right in the creases, right by the tear ducts. This is the royal blue right here. Using a very fine liner brush just to pick up a little bit of the pigment, because this
pigment can go really bad really fast.
So you can definitely overuse it. I recommend that you use a very small, fine liner just to add a little pop of color right there in the crease, hair duct area. Before you apply anything to your lips, you want to set some type of balm or something that's going to protect your lip from the other product. A lip mask, which is what I use from Wet n Wild, lavender, and I love it. You don't have to use a lot, but just put something on your lips before you start applying another product. I'm going in with my NYX or NYX Liquid Suede in the color Jet Set for my royal blue lips. I'm going to go ahead and start applying my lip color. And when doing a bold color, I like to start in the middle like that and then kind of work my way out to get the line. And rub as you go with a color like this. You want to make sure it's as pigmented as possible so you don't have any blotchy areas or spots in your lips. If you like to overdraw, go ahead and overdraw. When you're doing a bold color, you should stick to the natural size of your lip. Now this color will eventually dry down a little bit more matte than I would like. Now after you have the bold color on your lips, it's time to clean up around the edges to make sure that it's crisp and any fallout that you've had from the tear duct area. We are going to use a concealer in the color NC45 from MAC with a small angled brush. And this is for any color, blue, purple, red, any bold color. You always just want to clean up just a bit to make sure that it's crisp and it looks neat. Okay, you're just gonna slightly blend that out with your fingers. And also some sort of brush, preferably the brush that you used to apply your foundation. So it's the same color and you do not have any fallout. Teeth check. Nothing is worse than going outside. Your makeup is slayed and you have lipstick on your It is time to spruce up those brows. Go ahead and grab a blue, yes, I said blue, mascara to just give your eyebrows a little pop of color. I am going in with my cobalt blue from Wet n Wild colored mascara. Going ahead, put on a couple of cute pieces. Put your favorite hoops on and express yourself. Express yourself. Express yourself. Until next time.